Enter. So, oh
But it's
God.
gonna be a huge mess for us.
Oh my. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mink, and today I've got a friend with me here.
Avishka.
Yeah, her name's Avishka. So today we're going to be doing a very cool video. You can see we had reviewed this in our last video, like not last video, but a few videos before. So we opened two packets, which was brown and green. What the? Okay, anyway, so we had brown and green colors. So today what we're going to be doing is, we have our bowl and we're going to be mixing everything. So kind of like a slime mixing. And we're just going to add this for, some decorations. And we also made some balls. This is mine. And they can also bounce, like we're not going to do it now. And show us yours, please.
Yeah, I was on this.
That's hers. Look, it's so nice, right?
No, it's the most ugliest one in the earth.
Okay, so we're gonna be like doing it one by one. Okay, so here you go. You can open the first packet. Now we're just gonna put everything over here.
Can I just stir these packets?
No. Okay, you can just stir it.
Yeah, because it will be difficult for us to take out the slime.
I have a special way to open it actually. Okay, there we go. First color.
Okay,
Now
nice.
it's my turn. We've got black color. Wow. It's gonna be very sticky. I think my hands are gonna be black.
Here, black nail polish also.
But that's already like faded. Okay, so you can see it looks like, this thing. Let's see.
Just stir the packet. It will be difficult for it to take out.
Okay. I'm not good at tearing things. As I said, I'm not good at tearing things. Wow, it's so really sticky. So let's just stick it up really quick. Never mind. Oh, it's so soft. We already opened the blue one actually, so that's why it's less sticky.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. This is our black one. Very stretchy. This is all stuck to my hand.
Just put in the bowl.
But how will I hold the spoon then? Okay, there we go. We have a second one. Next color. Purple.
This one is going to be the sticky one, I think.
Yeah. All the new ones are sticky because I haven't opened them at all. Just be careful, they'll stick to your hand.
Yeah. Okay, these are way too stickier.
What's the next color? It's red, I guess.
Which is your favorite color from this slime?
I think I like the blue one. The blue and black make a really good combination.
Okay.
Wow.
If
If
we give black and pink, it will be black pink.
Hey, I hate Blackpink.
Black pink?
Wait, I think I can make BTS out of this.
Yeah, we can.
Wait, blue and black is BTS kind of. Are you done with that finally?
Yes.
Okay, there we go. That's purple. Next up. We have red, a bright color. Red.
Wait, since
I really
a
don't
nice
want
shape.
this. I don't want this blue in its shape. Oh, this is like watery. Look at this. It just came out like that.
Okay.
And what is this? Whoa. This is really glossy. You want to feel this?
Yeah.
Look, just
sure.
test this.
Oh, it's so glossy.
Is it
Very soft.
Yeah,
It's a
this
very
is
soft
softer
slime.
than others. Okay, next up is orange for
Okay.
Ashika.
I think I've got some missing things also. It's a bit difficult for me.
Oh look, we got the tools. They are like, I can just
It will be easy
cut them
for
in.
us to mix. Okay, this
This is gonna be like a colorful ice cream, and these are the spoons. Wait, there's another one over there.
maybe I will peel off like this.
There you go. That's a knife. And that's like a
Plastic knife.
spear. And this is another kind of knife. So you have three tools altogether. Now with the orange.
Orange is too soft.
Next up is.
It's like
Oh.
we're mixing.
I think the pink one is leaked out.
Okay.
Take it out. We have orange. I'm going to yellow. I'm going to open it in a different way. I'm going to twist it like this.
It's gonna come. It's gonna pop.
Yeah, that's what I wanted. And it won't happen.
Oh my. Oh. You can just do it like icing. See? You can just do like icing.
But again, it's very difficult to do. I
No,
shouldn't have
except you
done
got
that.
the leftover slime.
Yeah, and you did pack it out.
Oh, you got the rest of the slime.
Okay. Alright, so finally we got this yellow slime out. Really tough to do that.
I'm gonna put in.
It's all stuck to my hand still. Okay. Next up, she's gonna open. Which color is that?
It's a
Peach.
light.
Light pink. Baby pink.
I'm not gonna pop like you.
Okay. That actually took a lot of time to do.
It took us a bit time to take out the slime when she popped up.
This is like in rainbow ice cream sundae. This is actually the first time I'm doing it. I've just seen people doing it in other videos. Could you do it a bit faster, please?
Well, it's stuck very badly inside this packet.
You should have torn the packet.
Yeah, this time you're not able to see this packet.
Okay, let's just pause again. Okay, we're done with that one.
Okay.
There we go. Next up, we've got. I'm gonna choose this.
Okay.
This is like.
This is going to be hard for you.
There we go. I just don't want to ruin the shape when I take it out, otherwise it becomes difficult.
Oh, this time this one came out perfectly.
Yeah,
A little
but
bit stuck on that side.
The red one came out perfectly. Oh, when you take it out perfectly, it's glossy.
Let me touch it. Oh, really?
Okay, there we go. So we have that one. Now we're gonna put it right next to that. Next, we just have two more colors left. She chose white, so that means hot pink's mine. Okay.
It's little difficult to take out the slime.
So this is a lot of packets. We're done with the white. Last color to go, hot
It looks
pink.
like marshmallow.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice marshmallow.
Oh, and as I said, the pink was leaking out a bit. I don't know why and how. Let's just tear this last packet out. Okay. There we go. And this is also in the shape, I guess.
I'm getting all the perfect shapes. I'm not getting.
There we go.
Wow.
Again, it's so glossy. Okay, and like that, we're done with our everything. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix it up.
With our hands. Let's do it with hands.
Yeah, we're gonna do it with hands. Oh my god.
How does it feel? Oh.
This is also squishy. I should have kept my nails. So, oh
But
my
it's
god.
gonna be a huge mess for us.
Oh my goodness. It has a hole. Okay, let's just.
It's looking like anything.
Oh my.
I think we should keep in the box.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Okay.
Oh my. Ah, all the black is on my hands.
It's like marshmallow slime.
Yeah, cotton candy slime actually.
Which slime do you think this one is?
I don't know. Fluffy slime, I think.
Fluffy
Okay, never mind.
slime. Fluffy slime used to be a little
Okay.
stretchy. But it's like marshmallow
Oh, wow.
slime.
I have never had this much slime in my life. Look at that color.
I think will you mix? Oh my gosh!
Okay, this is what.
Will you mix some confetti?
Yeah, but not now. After the whole thing's done.
I
this is
think
gonna be a
black
black
color
color.
has messed up the whole thing.
The black color is taking over everyone. Oh,
See this
look at this black color. I really like the design though.
But I can see the white color. The white color is,
The white color is totally gone.
yeah.
It has become some other color now.
Yeah.
Oh, this is yellow and pink.
Oh, here's a bit of pink slime. Just add it to here.
Yellow.
We can waste bit of slime.
Oh my god, this is going to be a really dirty color. Because of the black.
Yeah, I think we should have put the black color in there.
Yeah, okay, next. Your turn to do some.
Okay.
This should have been an ASMR video, you know?
Yeah.
Just hearing the sound.
Oh my god. I think the bowl is about to break.
Okay, I think it would have been better with real slime, you know, the one which is a bit jiggly too.
Jiggly slime.
Water slime.
Oh, I love that slime.
I don't like that one. I like these kind
in
of.
a black color.
Ah, man. All the colors have literally disappeared.
Mixing black color was the most awful idea for us.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Come here to chew bubblegum and kick ass.
I think now we can mix
Confetti.
the blue color thing. Oh. Okay, there we go. So
Let's
sticky.
add one more hand. I
Okay,
think
now we
let's
can-
put some confetti. See,
First of all, we're gonna make it plain like that, and then we're gonna.
it
stick
feels
out.
more like a clay now.
Yeah, now it's more like a clay, but very large clay. There we go. We made a hole kind of thing. Now we're gonna take our confetti.
Okay.
Our blue color confetti, and I'm gonna stuff it in there. I don't know if that's gonna make any difference. It's gonna get in there.
I love this blue confetti.
Ooh.
I think we are gonna
Okay,
just
now
close
we're
this
gonna
thing
close
like
this
this. I think it's making a very large.
Yeah, we just need to.
I
Let's
think
see. Oh no.
in from down it's gonna come out. I think we should do
Eh,
above the bowl.
there we go. There we go. We done it. I can see all of those. Okay, I don't think that made any difference at all.
I think it is. I think slime is going to be black color.
Yeah, it's gonna be black. It's gonna be. It will kind of be like a brown black
Okay.
thing.
I think if we want to mix the black color,
It would have been a brighter color.
but no.
Literally everything is gone. It's just black.
You can buy a slime kit this time.
Oh yeah, the next video we're gonna be making maybe is gonna be
Water slime.
No, the rose one. The rose candle. I've been
Okay.
delaying that from a long time now. Let's just take, you can take all the rest of the confetti which is left at the
Okay.
bottom and mix it all.
Okay.
Okay.
Next time when I go to city center
So-
in city center, there is very much a less price slime kit.
Huh?
In city center, there's a
Okay.
very cheaper slime kit.
Oh.
You want to purchase that?
No, I've got enough slime kits.
You have.
BKW, the video is still running. Gotcha. Okay, this is really
Oh my god, this is getting harder and harder.
and really large. This is the largest slime I've ever had in my life, you know.
Because we mix all of the slime.
And look at all that packet. There we go. It's a nice brown color now. Nothing else left.
Yeah, it's
There are all the packets. Oh, and tools. Let's try to make something out of this. How about an elephant? Because that's an elephant color.
yeah.
Okay, let's try it.
Will you know how to do an elephant?
No, I don't know how to make it with slime, but I do know how to make it with
Oh
clay.
my god, I think it's the bowl will break today.
No problem. It's not mine. It's not anyone's. Look, it is my grandmother's, so no problem. Okay, let's see.
Okay, let's see if it stretches.
Wait, huh?
Will you see if it stretches?
No, let's see if it bounces.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna get up.
Start.
I'm gonna take a walk. I think we should do it that side. This side is dirty. All that
Yeah.
bhujia and all is here. Okay, here's a ball. We're gonna just bounce it and see. See.
Whoa! It bounces. I'm gonna try one.
It literally came back.
Okay.
Okay, your turn.
This time is
3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! This is like just exactly like a ball.
Want to see how much it stretches?
Okay.
Let's see.
Go ahead.
Just hold it from one side.
Okay, let's see.
you
But we need to do it very slowly. 3,
It's your-
2, 1. This looks like Mars with holes.
Yeah. I think we have created
The Mars.
yeah.
Okay, if we make.
Let's create some shapes with this.
I don't think I have storage for that. It's already 15 minutes. Guys, I'm so sorry.
Today I think we will end this video in here.
Yeah, but just let's. Okay, so Ashvika is gonna be here with me in quite next videos for some things. And that's it, I guess. We're done. The next video will be probably the rose candle making one, but hey, there's something in here.
What?
Oh,
Oh my god, that's a blue slime. Blue slime.
The blue out of the blue brown. What is that? Look, at least some blue survived.
Oh. But none of the other colors survived. I think if we mix the blue and pink color.
Oh, let's try.
Let's try in the ceiling. If it got stuck in there,
No, it won't stuck.
no, you can't take
Won't stick.
risk.
Okay, show the ceiling.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
No,
Let's go.
Okay, let's just show it. There we go. 1, 2, 3, go.
It's about to fall on me.
just. If this was a really hard ball, I would have.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video, and we also hope you will, stay with us for the rose candle, the rose candle part, and hope you will like, subscribe, comment, and share this video, and I guess we'll see you in the next video guys. Bye bye!
Love, love.
I'm back again. I just wanted to show you my creation. Haha! Guess what it is? It's a snowman. These are its arms, and this is its nose, which comes out the back.
I honestly didn't know what to do with myself.
And she's still working on hers. That actually looks really cool. It looks like a scar on your hand.
Because it's a scar. I have it right here also.
Okay. And if you like my
Now I'm gonna take
snowman.
from her snowman.
Okay.
Thank you. And
Wow.
your snowman.
Oh, my poor little snowman.
Something happened to your snowman?
Nothing. Now he's gonna take the rest of his clay to make another hand. And poof! His hand is there.
Okay.
His hand there.
I think it's better with these hands because
No.
it's looking like a ghost. Something like a ghost came.
It's a ghost snowman.
Okay.
Okay. Well,
Kids are
now.
going to be afraid with this. I
Seriously.
think it will be their nightmare.
Okay. Oh, and also comment down in the video below which ball you like better. The unicorn ball which is
I'm
mine.
sure. Don't show them this one at all.
Okay. What I was saying, if you comment down below which ball you like,
Don't show. This is not fair.
which ball do you like
I'm
more?
going through your snowman. See the snowman.
My ball or Ashvika's
I'm
ball?
Oh, it bounced better.
It literally landed there.
See,
Let's
I'm
see.
gonna bounce the snowman also. See, now I'm about to bounce the snowman too.
It came back to me. Hey, no. You've got to be kidding me. Okay, never mind. Well, bye bye.